What is up, YouTube? Welcome back, and I am back, and if you cannot tell, I am in one of my favorite vehicles of all time. I'm in the Dodge Challenger Hellcat 2016. Yes, it is back alive. I'm going to do a cold start for you. Well, a warm start, so to say, because it's hot out. Might take a minute to start. That's the 85. Sometimes the 85 does that. I have to be a certain content. I have to be about 80% or higher. So that's normal. Don't worry about it. It's not the tune. Just give you guys a heads up. This car is amazing. I am glad it's back alive. Got a lot of stuff to show you. I'm not going to show you all in this video. Just want you guys to see that the car's back alive. I'm going to be back on YouTube. We're going to have some great content. You're going to see some amazing updates. Maybe I didn't do just what you thought I did. Maybe I did some more stuff. Maybe I didn't. Maybe there's another car. You know, that red eye's out. We'll see. That sounds really good. Anywho, stay tuned. This is going to be a very short video. Just want you guys to know it's Sunday. I'm alive. Car's alive. Thank God. Thank you, Tim Barth. Awesome, man. Talk to you all later. There you guys go. The car is back alive. Finally got it out of the shop. A little bit louder. Supercharger's back on. We'll do some videos of that. I just want to give you a quick update. We're all good.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.